What's going on, folks? Blake from New Vision Residential, and today is Let's Grease the Toro Grandstand 36th day. So I'm gonna get this camera flipped around. We're gonna run the intro, and then I'll show you what we're working with today. All right, what's up, folks? Blake from New Vision Residential, and today, hey, we got our new Lucas Mini. Takes 3-ounce cartridges, grease gun. Reason why I got this one-handed operation. You know, once you lock the cup roller on, hey, you just squeeze it, go to town. Then we picked up the Lucas 3-pack of grease. Today we're going to be using the red tacky grease, right, to grease the pivot points and the pulley on the deck. So I'm going to slide the camera over to the grandstand, and I'll show you where the grease points are on this 2013 36-inch Toro Grandstand. All right, folks, here we are with the 2013 Toro Grandstand 36, and let's take a look at the grease points. So you got a grease point, one on each front caster there. Then on the pivot points to raise and lower the deck, you got one there, one right there. Let's go over to this side, same thing, we got one right there. And then let's see if we can capture it. And then there's another one right there. You got one here, right there, on the raise and lower assembly for the deck. And then I have to lower the deck. Let's see if we can capture it. But there was one more. Slide this in here, but there is one more right under this cover, and I'm going to remove the cover to show you exactly where it's at. All right, so we're back. So let's take a look. I took the cover off, and you can see right there is the last grease fitting. So you got one there, two on both sides for raising and lowering the deck, right? So that's 5. One there, so that's 6. And then one on each front spindle, so 7, 8. So we're going to clean off each grease fitting, and before we put the grease gun to them, and then we'll get going. So I didn't do the front casters yet is they got the plugs in them and they don't have the Zerk fittings. So I got to run to Harbor Freight. You know, I'll do that probably Monday. Run to Harbor Freight and get a Zerk fitting kit so that I can, you know, put the two Zerk fittings in there and get that done. But let me show you how easy it was to grease up the mower. All right, so greased it. When the red grease started coming out between the assembly there, I knew we were good. Same thing there. Grease that one. Grease started coming out. I knew we were good. On the deck, grease started coming out. Knew we were good there. And then I did the same thing on there. And, you know, that one. All right, folks. So, hey, greasing your mower is just that simple. It's preventive maintenance. It helps keep those points lubricated. It doesn't take a lot of time, and it extends the longevity of your equipment. So, once again, Toro Grandstand 2013 36-inch deck. All right. Hey, I'm Blake from New Vision Residential. As always, I pray that you've had a blessed day, week, month, year, and that you know that you are blessed. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.